In today's video, we're going to be painting my supercharger for the Honda Pilot. Let's go ahead and get started. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to More Motorsports YouTube page. In today's video, we are going to be painting the supercharger for the Honda Pilot, which we have right here. It's an M90. This comes on the Pontiac Grand Prix GTP, the supercharged version, obviously. It makes about 6 to 7 PSI, completely factory. I'm going to get this thing cleaned up, and then we're going to be in a future video on my other channel installing this onto the Honda Pilot. This thing has an intake manifold that's adaptive to the supercharger. I'll put a little picture here so you can see what I'm talking about. You can basically just use an adapter plate and it adapts right to the top of the intake manifold, and pretty bolt on. It's pretty simple to install. There's not a lot of videos out there, so we've been doing some work to the Pilot. As you can see, we got some off-road wheels. I put some different fog lights. We're going to be doing a light bar here. Those pods are going to be going up top. But all of that information is on my other channel. If you guys are not subscribed, definitely go to Texas Honda channel. Link will be in the description. Just click that button and it'll prompt you to subscribe. So what we're going to be doing is cleaning up this M90. Basically just going to be using a wire brush, a wire wheel on a drill, cleaning it up as good as we can get it, using some isopropyl alcohol to clean up any grease or anything else that's on there. We're going to be taking some of this stuff off, and then we're going to be painting it using Rusto-Oleum's wheel paint. This is graphite. It's basically a gunmetal gray. Figured to make it look pretty cool on the supercharger, clean it up a little bit, because we will be getting this installed as soon as I can possibly afford to. It's about $550 for the adapter plate, so it's kind of what I'm waiting on right now. I already have the belt and the throttle. I already have that, so just need a few extra little things, and then this puppy will be going in. But I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up on the tripod. Basically gonna time-lapse it with some music, royalty-free, copyright-free music from my buddy KINGSHOCK. Definitely go check his music out on SoundCloud. Really good stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead and start doing this, so here we go. Okay, now that we've moved the supercharger to my sophisticated painting area here, I'm going to go ahead and tape the pulley off right here. We'll be upgrading this pulley eventually anyways, but still, it's better to just tape it off. It's pretty easy to do. I already wiped it down with some rubbing alcohol and a clean rag, so now we're going to shoot the flame-proof primer. Withstands temperatures up to 1300 to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. This will never get to that, but I'm just going to use this because I already have it from VHT. It's really good stuff. We're going to use my awesome Paint Mixer 3000 to go ahead and mix the paint up. If you want to see how to make one of these, I'll have a link in the description. All right, should be mixed up pretty good. So now we're going to apply the primer, wait about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we will apply the high performance wheel paint. Okay, we've been letting it dry, so now I'm going to use the paint mixer and mix the paint up. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and apply a light coat, let that dry, and then do it again, and then we'll add some clear. Okay, now I'm going to hit it with this high heat clear from Duplicolor. Alright, so here it is up close. Looks really good. I really like how that looks. I'm going to go ahead and put everything back together, then we'll go over some stuff. Alright, so there it is, all put back together. Still looks really good. Went ahead and cleaned up right here with the a rag and brake clean, just to kind of clean up that overspray. But it's all good. We're going to be adding some Bestline racing additive into the Supercharger because it's just amazing stuff. Highly recommend checking them out. Just do some YouTube searches and visit their website. Link will be in the description for Bestline Racing. We will definitely be putting some though in here because it helps with cooling, lubricity, and thermal breakdown. So that'll really be helping this Supercharger out for sure. But we're going to get this thing put in, like I said, on my other channel. So if you guys are interested in seeing a J35 Honda Pilot, 2003 Honda Pilot supercharged, definitely go over to Texas Honda channel. You can use the YouTube search or it'll be in the description. So just click that link. In an upcoming video, I'm going to be trying to do these headlights. I'm going to take them out and we're going to wet sand the outside and 2K clear them. And we're also going to be doing blacking out the inside chrome pieces. So we're actually going to do a full video on that, basically removing them out, how to separate the plastic without breaking it, and all of that good stuff. We'll also be doing a 2X versus 2K clear video to show the difference between the 2X and the 2K on a panel that I'm probably going to do the burnt orange VHT paint that I did on the Civic's engine bay. Do that on this panel that I have. Then we will we'll prime it first. We'll do that. Then we will apply the 2K and the 2X, and we'll use a tape line to show the difference between 2K, 2X, and no clear. So I hope you guys are interested in that, because I will be doing that as soon as I possibly can. Sorry things have been really slow on this channel. If you guys want to watch some of my content still, head over to Texas Honda channel. I'm doing a ton of stuff over there right now. I can't really do a whole lot of paint stuff given the situation that I am in right now. So I hope you guys understand, and feel free to check out my playlist. Watch all the videos from the past to the present. There's plenty of videos to go through. But I hope you guys enjoyed the Supercharger being painted video. But yeah, before I get off here, I did want you guys to know I used the rusto-oleum crystal clear enamel. Halfway through this started spraying really bad, so I just went ahead and switched over to this. It works just as good. Even though this is a higher heat application, it still works perfectly fine at protecting it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button, drop a comment below, share the videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And as I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.